Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you total 2 websites where we can create a social bookmarking backlink, and all the websites can provide you a Dofollow backlink. So now we can start. So this is our first website, so wahook.com, and before the started, we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 54, and this website drawing 7.6k traffic. So this is research of this website. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So guys, this is a website. So simply you guys can click on the register button, and there you guys can fill your all name, username, your email ID, then you guys can choose your password, and after that you can click on the create user button. So we have successfully created our profile on this site, and this website has sent a verification email over email ID, so we can verify our profile. So you guys can see I received a verification email, so you can simply click on this URL and you can verify, and you guys can see your email has been successfully validated, and after that we can click on the login button and we can enter in this website. So you guys can see we have successfully entered in this site, and there is a profile button. You can click over there, and if needed, so we can optimize our profile. So for the profile section, you guys can optimize profile by yourself, because this site is taking too much time to loading any website and any page. So this open, so let me check if is there anything to we can optimize, if is this anything to we can optimize, but there is not anything, there is nothing. So simply you guys can click on the submit button, and there you guys can put your website URL. So suppose that I wanting to create a backlink for my one-way page, so simply you guys can add your page URL and you can click on the continue button, and there you guys can add your title. So one-way interviewing software and the /jobma, and after that you guys can choose your category. So category is software, and I can going to add a short description. So I'm all the things copying throughout my website, but in your case you guys can generate a fresh content. So after that you guys can click on the submit and save changes. So you can see this is your profile, your social bookmarking landing page URL, and this is your backlink. So if you guys can open, so this is a no follow backlink. Okay guys, so now we have created on the first website. So the next website name is, this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Manylink.io, and I can show you this website authority. So you guys can see according to Acharya, the domain rating is 70, and according to SimilarWeb, this website are drawing around 17.9k visitors, and the mostly traffic from USA, India, China, Vietnam, Switzerland. So this is about of this website. So now we can start. Simply you guys can click on the get started button, and there you guys can add your email ID, then you guys can choose your password, and after that we can click on the create account button. So we have created, there you guys can add your username and you can click on the continue, and so this is your shareable link, and you guys can upload your company logo. So there you guys can upload your company logo, and after that you can add your display name. So display name is perfect if you wanting to make any modification, so you can. And the theme, and there you guys can add your all social details. So this is everything. And after that, you can click on the save button, and this website might send you a verification email, so you guys can activate your profile. So I received, and simply you guys can click on this and you can verify. So back to dashboard. So and there is a links button, you can click over there and you guys can add your first link. So there I can going to add my first link, and this is a title section. So one way video interviewing software. Jobma, and after that we're going to click on the save button. So you can see we have created our first backlink on this site, and how you guys will found your all the details. So simply you guys can see this is your profile landing page URL, and after that is there anything so we can make it modification. So if you're wanting to make any changes, so simply you guys can click on this, but there is no any another option to you can optimize. So this is a process for the backlinking, and how you guys will found your all the URLs. So simply you can click on the profile section, and if you guys can start adding your URLs in this site, so your URL is appear in the profile section. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking on these site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.